Today I'm going to go over the mentality you need to have when you are buying rental property is the attitude. I know so many landlords that have the attitude them versus us. And even the renters will say it's me versus my landlord. And there's other landlords that think that a tenant is a necessary nuisance. How crazy is that? They're paying you rent, and some landlords think they're paying me rent, so it's just some annoying thing I have to deal with to collect my rent. That is a guaranteed recipe for disaster. Please do not have this attitude. This is a person that's paying their hard money to rent a place. Think of them as a customer. If you were selling shoes and someone said to you, hey, here's $1,000 for those shoes, how are you going to treat this person? You would be ecstatic. Okay, this person is buying shoes from me. He's giving me $1,000. I want to treat him really well. I want him to keep coming back. I want him to tell all his friends. That's the attitude you need to have. You cannot have this attitude that I just want to collect rent. I don't want to deal with this annoying tenant. There is no such thing. You're in the customer service business. Please don't be like every other landlord I see out there that just does not want to deal with their tenants. When you start having the right attitude that your tenant is a customer, a paying customer at that, you will see significant increases in your retention and your cash flow. And guess what? How many referrals are you going to get? I get a ton of referrals from tenants calling their friends and saying, hey, you need to live in this building. The building is awesome. The landlord is awesome. I love it here. I hope that helped. If you like this video, please comment, like it, and subscribe up top because I'm going to be dropping a whole lot more videos and you don't want to miss them.